Ken itinay yung road nga gundaway kakapsan. Awisan tayo ni Hepe iti Comelec iti probinsya ni Arbla, Attorney Michelle May Belmes.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Pampamisanekon ti makablao pinaimbag na rabili amin. It is an honor to be invited tonight to give a testimony on the greatness of a person who influenced the political history of the Abreños. You know, I will never forget this man. It is because of him that my first election as provincial election supervisor of Abra became memorable. That was when he provided a chopper for me to soar and step on the mountains of Buklok and Bulina in the last May 13, 2013 elections. As I alighted from the chopper with the Picos machine, I felt like a heroine in the movie The Armageddon, with people waving their hands and cheering at us. When I was appointed as Comelec supervisor, the way to establish good working relations with the deputized agencies of the Comelec, particularly the PNP, was one of the most challenging part of my career. For I must admit that the Comelec cannot stand alone. Election is a battle. Like battles in the history of mankind, the army is of vital importance. For I had been a victim of police misdeed in the past that at first I cannot fully trust my so-called partners in this public service. But fellow Abreños, I will not only remember General Magalong as one of the gentlemen who always tell that I look gorgeous, but most importantly, the man who showed the leadership so that the Abreños will once again trust the Philippine National Police. Sir, thank you for that. Whenever I find misdemeanor of any officer of the PNP, I am without any recourse. For I can always say and bear in mind, isusumbong kita kay General Magalong. That means that he does not condone illegalities. People say that I am courageous, but let it be known that part of this courage is drawn from my belief that there are good men who will be behind my endeavors for a better conduct of the elections in the province of Abra. You are one of them, Sir Benji. To end this note, the victorious General Sun Tzu wrote The Art of War, which had been one of my favorite books. Dear Abreños, though this book had been written thousands of years ago during the ancient Chinese civilization, I believe that this modern world, the country had produced what Sun Tzu had described as one of the constant factors of the art of war. It is the commander, which stands for the virtues of wisdom, sincerity, benevolence, courage, and strictness. This is our very own General Benjamin Magalong. Thank you, sir, and we will miss you in Abra.
Thank you very much, Provincial Election Supervisor, Attorney Michelle B. Belmes.